we're going to put a rotor in it. It's going to be mud slut.
I'm gonna put a full 20B rotor in it. Yeah, like triple turbos, like one for each rotor, and like big peripheral porting, like big, like my girlfriend's hole, like that big. Yeah. No, that's like an asshole because I've been boring it out with my dick.
And this is a cable. This is Bankston stuff, right? It's connected to the trailer, which is connected to that control. And we're going to pull the motor out. So let's pull this motor out.
This is seriously dodgy shit I've ever seen happen.
See you on the other side, guys.
Just gentle.
Gentle, eh?
Oh fuck.
Okay.
Stop!